As an assistant professor of School of Science and Technology, Vijaybhoomi University, it gives me immense pleasure to work with my fellow colleagues and the students here on artificial intelligence. I would like to speak of one of the projects currently running in association with the present would-be fourth year student. So this fellow of mine, he worked on a very popular data set named Sloan Digital Sky Survey dataset. So he worked on different parameters which can discern between different celestial objects like galaxies, supernovae, binary stars and nebulae. So at Vijaybhoomi, we do a lot of collaborative research. Collaboration occurs between the faculties, between the students and the faculties, and also the students. They have specific courses entitled research incubations, where they are encouraged and marked as per their capability of communicating research topics into journal in houses. And there are also project based evaluations where they get to showcase their skills on working real time problems, be it from industry or from core research areas.